Hello friends, this is Hem Singh Patle. Habit and goal connection. So if I ask you, what do you understand from the habit? So definitely you will reply, whatever we repeat over and over and over again for a longer period of time, it becomes our habit. Even any behavior that you are practicing for a longer period of time is your habit, right? Habit calls for lots of efforts. When you are developing any good habit, right, whenever you are developing any good habit or breaking any bad habit, initially you have to put lots of efforts, because habits are tough to create and habits are tough to break, right? It takes lots of time and lots of efforts only. So what happens, friends, since you are developing new habit, you have to put lots of efforts, and because of that, so many people, they easily give up, right? They stop developing this habit because they don't know. Initially they have to put lots of efforts, right? Now the coming to the goal, right? Goal can be your short-term goal, medium-term goal, long-term goal, or it can be for 1 year, 3 years, or 5 years, right? Whatever your choice, you can decide the goal. For example, you are here, right, and you want to reach there. So first thing, you must know about your destination, where you want to go, what you want to achieve. For example, if you don't know your destination, so what will happen? You will move here and there. But once you know your destination, your target point, then it is easy for you to choose the path. It is easy for you to choose the vehicle. If it is a place, if you know your destination, then only you can choose the vehicle, either by two-wheeler, four-wheeler, or car, or by air. You want to go and reach to your destination. So you have to be very, very clear about your goals in life. What goal you have set, you have to be very much clear. If you are not clear, then you cannot reach to your destination. As I said, goal can be for short-term, medium-term, and long-term goal. For example, you have set a goal of reducing 10 kg weight for next 6 months. For example, you have set a goal to improve your communication skill in next 6 months. For example, you have set a goal to write a book or accomplish a book in next 6 months. So that is your goal. So if every morning you are hitting the gym, or every day you are going the gym, or 4 days in a week you are going the gym, for next 6 months you achieved your goal and you reduce your weight by 10 kg. Every day you are writing work because you have set a goal of accomplishing a book or finishing a book in next 6 months, and within 6 months you completed your book. Same thing with the communication mastery. But what after 6 months, if you are not hitting the gym, so definitely there is a probability that you will gain the weight. If you are not writing after 6 months, so you will break this continuity. Same thing with the communication skill. But if you have developed a habit, right? Habit means you are going to gym not only for 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 9 months, and every time, right, you are thinking about that you have to go to the gym even after achieving your goal. If you are continuing with hitting the gym, so what will happen? You will be perfectly fit and healthy, and you will surpass your goal, right? You will surpass your goal. Same thing, if you have developed a habit of writing, every day you are doing the writing work, so you will not stop after finishing a one book, right? Because writing become your habit, writing become your nature. So you will be continue even after finishing one book also, and you will start working for second book. Same thing happens with the communication skill. Even after 6 months, if you are paying time for your communication skill, so you will be awesome, you will be fluent in your communication mastery. So think about habit, right? Decide the goal, but make it a habit, because once you make a habit, you can easily meet your goal, and one good habit is sufficient to transform your life. So this is all about habit and goal connection. I believe you really enjoy this video and you come to know how the habit works and how the goals are important, right? Set a habit. Please do share this video with your friends and family members. If you really like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get an auto updation of next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.